Next, we want to top this with a 1/4 cup of mayo. Am I opening this wrong? Hawaiian roll sliders. These are some of my favorite appetizers of all time, and I guarantee you they are the first to go at any party. Plus, there are so many different ways to make them. I'm going to show you my favorite recipe, the sweet Hawaiian ham sliders, as well as 3 riffs on the same technique using pizza, Reuben, and chicken sliders. Having this technique in your back pocket is essential. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have my Hawaiian rolls that I pulled straight out of the package. I'm going to leave them intact and actually cut horizontally because we want to build one large sandwich, and then after it's baked, we'll separate them into the individual sandwiches. So now that I have it cut through, I'm going to remove the top and start assembling the inside. I have some Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh honey ham. I'm gonna layer the whole package on the bottom half of the sandwich. All right, so now that I have the ham on, I'm going to top with 4 big slices of Kraft sharp cheddar cheese. Next, we want to top this with a 1/4 cup of Kraft real mayo. All right, now that we've finished making our sandwiches, we're going to make this delicious buttery topping to coat the top of the sandwiches. First, I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, add 1½ teaspoons of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire, and then a 1/2 teaspoon each of minced onion and poppy seeds. Just give this a quick mix to make sure you break up all of the brown sugar. So now that this is mixed together, I'm going to brush this all on top of the sandwiches and just get this delicious topping in every crevice of the sandwich. And it looks like a lot, but we're actually going to allow these sandwiches to sit for about 20 minutes so that it has time to soak in all of this buttery deliciousness. So I've let the sliders sit for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna stick these in a 350-degree oven. So right now, my sweet Hawaiian ham and cheese sliders are in the oven, but I have 3 wonderful variations in front of you that use the same technique. So right here, we have a Reuben slider. So this has corned beef, Swiss cheese, our Clausen sauerkraut, and it's topped with a buttery caraway topping. This middle one is our cheddar and chicken sliders. This one has fresh spinach on top, as well as our Kraft poppy seed dressing and a buttery onion topping as well. And then the last one, which is a huge family favorite, is the pizza sliders. It has pizza sauce, pepperoni cheese, mozzarella, and a garlic butter Italian herb topping with grated Parmesan. Now I'm gonna pull out our other sliders in the oven. Don't they all just look so delicious? Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The full recipe is in the video link as well as on myfoodandfamily.com.